Let's be honest, achieving flawless skin overnight is a stretch. No product is going to completely transform your skin in 24 hours, especially if you're dealing with acne, dark spots, or texture. But if you just need a real glow up in a day, there are definitely some things you can do to wake your skin up, smooth things out, and get that healthy, radiant vibe going. Whether you've got a date, an event, or just feel like pampering yourself, here's a no BS step-by-step guide that's actually doable. No fancy tools, no impossible routines, just good skin habits and some little tricks that work. Tip number 1. Start with hydration, inside and out. Before anything else, drink some water. Seriously. Your skin can look tired, puffy, and dry just from being a bit dehydrated. One of the easiest, fastest ways to look more awake and refreshed is to start drinking water as soon as you wake up. Try to get in 8 to 10 glasses throughout the day. Want to boost it up? Add lemon slices or cucumber to your water. Not only does it look cute, but lemon gives you a little vitamin C boost, and cucumber helps with hydration. And on the outside, use a hydrating toner, serum, or face mist. Products with hyaluronic acid are your friend. They pull water into your skin and plump things up. If your skin feels dry or tight, that's your signal to moisturize, not scrub it off. Tip number 2. Clean your skin, gently but thoroughly. Before you layer anything on your skin, you've got to start with a clean base. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Nothing too harsh or drying. If you wore makeup or sunscreen the night before and didn't cleanse properly, now's the time to double cleanse. First, an oil-based cleanser to remove buildup, followed by a gentle foaming or cream cleanser to actually clean your skin. Don't forget to use lukewarm water. Don't use hot water as it dries you out. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing your face like you're scrubbing dishes. Lastly, clean skin is equals to better absorption of all the good stuff you're going to put on it later. Tip number 3. Exfoliate, but don't overdo it. If your skin looks dull, textured, or just kind of blah, exfoliation can help. It removes dead skin cells and lets your glow come through. But don't go wild. Your goal is smooth and fresh, not red and raw. You've got 2 solid options. Physical exfoliation. Think gentle scrubs. Avoid anything too gritty. Chemical exfoliation. Products with AHAs, like glycolic acid, or BHAs, like salicylic acid, can gently resurface your skin. Do this step once, in the morning or early afternoon. If you exfoliate again later, you might irritate your skin, and that's not the look we're going for. Tip number 4. Layer in lightweight, hydrating skincare. After exfoliating, your skin is prepped and ready to drink up whatever you put on. So now's the time to give it the good stuff. Here's a realistic layering routine. Step 1. Hydrating toner, or essence. A thin, watery toner can help balance your skin and hydrate the surface layer. Just pat it in with your hands. No need for a cotton pad. Step 2. Serum. If you have a vitamin C serum, this is a great time to use it. It brightens your skin, helps even out tone, and adds a glow. No vitamin C? A hyaluronic acid serum works too, super hydrating and skin plumping. Step 3. Moisturizer. This locks everything in and keeps your skin barrier happy. Go for one that suits your skin type. Gel-based for oily skin, cream-based for dry or combo skin. Step 4. Optional. Facial oil. If your skin is feeling extra dry or dull, adding a drop or 2 of oil, like argan rosehip or jojoba, over your moisturizer can give you a dewy finish. Tip number 5. Spot treat any breakouts. If you've got a pimple, or 2 or 5, don't panic. Just treat it and move on. Dab a spot treatment with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide only on the breakout, not your whole face. If it's a big, angry under the skin one, apply a cold compress or an ice cube, wrapped in a clean cloth, for a few minutes to bring down the swelling. Pimple patches are great, too. They help flatten the bump and can prevent you from picking at it. Tip number 6. Mask time. Give your skin a boost. This is a feel-good step that also makes your skin look instantly better. Choose a mask based on what your skin needs right now. Dry or dull? Go for a hydrating sheet mask or creamy mask with aloe, honey, or hyaluronic acid. Oily or clogged pores? Try a clay mask, but only leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to avoid over-drying. Tired and uneven? A brightening mask with vitamin C or niacinamide can wake things up. You don't need anything expensive, just something that feels good and helps your skin feel more alive. Tip number 7. If you wear makeup, keep it light and glowy. Makeup can help enhance your glow, but the key is not overdoing it. Too much makeup can actually make skin look more textured and dull. Here's a simple, glowy routine. Start with a glowing primer or even a little facial oil mixed with your moisturizer. Use a lightweight skin tint or BB cream, nothing heavy. Apply cream blush to give your cheeks that fresh flush. Dab on a liquid or cream highlighter on your cheekbones, brow bones, and nose. Set with a dewy setting spray. Let your real skin show through. Embrace the glow. Tip number 8. Snack smart. Foods that boost your skin. Believe it or not, what you eat today can show on your face later, especially if you're bloated or puffy. Here are a few skin-friendly snacks to reach for. Watermelon or cucumbers. Hydrating and refreshing berries, packed with antioxidants. Avocado or almonds. Healthy fats that support your skin barrier. Green tea. Calming, anti-inflammatory, and way better than soda. Avoid salty junk food and dairy if you're breakout prone. They can trigger puffiness or zits, especially if you're already dealing with stress. Tip number 9. Get some rest, even if it's just a nap. The phrase beauty sleep exists for a reason. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, and even a solid nap can reduce puffiness and brighten your eyes. Tonight, aim for 7 to 8 hours if you can. If that's not possible, even lying down for 20 minutes with a cold eye mask or spoon under your eyes can help. Before bed, repeat your skincare routine. Gentle cleanse, hydrating toner or mist, serum or moisturizer. Optional, overnight mask or oil. Let your skin drink it all in while you snooze. Tip number 10. Relax and don't overthink it. Lastly, don't stress. Seriously, stress hormones can mess with your skin, causing flare-ups or dullness. Take 15 minutes to breathe, listen to music, do a face massage, or just chill. Your skin doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. A little self-care goes a long way.